here. That's better.
Yeah.
Somebody's been up here recently. Oh, there's somebody getting...
Here they are. They're not going to make it.
Oh, no. What are we going to do?
Pass on the left.
Can you pass?
Stop now.
We have traction?
Oh, after I imagine. Yeah.
It's too bad. Worse right there where it's deeper. Someone's been in the ditch there since we were here last. Maybe he wishes he had a Subaru.
Today, yes. I did stop there.
Yeah, it's pretty good. There, we made it. Yeah, this is far worse than when we came out. Can you get through that snowbank? We get hung up on it. That's all right.